been brought to my attention that some people had trouble learning to juggle 3 of the plastic bags because they had trouble crossing over and catching on the other side. So I'm going to give you an even easier way to do it. We're going to do 2 in 1 hand. Now this is still juggling, because juggling is throwing more objects than you're using hands. So now we've got 2 objects in 1 hand. Here's how it works. First, just throw one straight up and catch it. Throw it straight up and catch it. Now once you can do that, then you can throw one and throw the other. Throw one, throw the other. Throw one, throw the other. Now just use 1 hand. Keep 1 hand behind your back while you do it. Then after you get it with 1 hand, stop and use your other hand. Throw one, throw the other, throw one, throw the other. They can circle out, they can circle in, and they can go straight up and down. And eventually you'll be able to shift from hand to hand. So work on it, and I'll catch you on the next video. You're doing a great job. Keep it up. It's not simple, but if you go step by step and you don't quit, I guarantee you will be able to learn to juggle. Thanks a lot. See you later.